Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about my creative journey, and I'm gonna tell you why I started this channel, why I keep going, why I keep growing, and why I wanna share my journey with you. So let's go.
How old are you? How old are you? How old?
After 16 years, he was finally able to celebrate in his birth state.
In 30 years, I've done nothing but collect information, knowledge, and your secrets.
Tears on my sleeve still, I could not understand the dark months. You kept me here. What felt like a shut door was mercy in disguise. I was reaching for a graveyard, you were building me alive. So I breathe and I listen for the answer in the ache. It won't last, no, it won't last, no. What looks like the end is just a turn. It won't last, no, it won't last, no. I'm here right now and I'm gonna learn. Live in the moment.
I am just pouring into him as I'm now able to give him the experiences of the state, wanting to provide several years ago. But God has been in control all this time. Let's go on this journey, son.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, good luck. Thank you. You had a good game.
Thank you.
Try to get these names and faces. Oh, you got a good citizen. Okay. All right. Hey, how you doing? Thank you.
Happy Easter.
Thank you. Good game. Get their name. Thank you. Thank you.
My son, stay strong, stay strong, stay strong, stay strong. My son, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. You are a child of God, so walk like you belong. My son.
Now I'm headed to get my baby girl. Fresh off the plane and she ready to spend some money already. The life of a teenager, they always want money. So we immediately met my son at the gym.
I smile. The way you laugh and play makes it all worthwhile. Even though I can't be there, I still find a way. I know God made, and for you I pray. I know life didn't go the way.
Hey guys, so it's Keith Lee, and today we're going to be trying out.
You're not gonna keep leaving.
Longhorn is better than shark, so let's just get right into it. Guys, I rate that a 9 out of 10.
We strawberry. Them name.
10 out of 10.
You not playing.
Wait, oh, is it right now? Hold on, let me do it like.
What did y'all do? On.
My shoe.
Look at the camera.
Twin bestie. Nobody loves me like you do. Nobody.
And back on the road to take her back.
He ain't playing. Y'all just showing off his skills.
If you don't mind, subscribe. Stay tuned, stay tuned.